Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. Today we will make a very beautiful bird like this. So, are you ready? Let's begin. For this activity, we need a sheet, 4 big circles, 1 small circle, 5 semicircles, 1 sketch pen and 1 Fevicol tube. First of all, we will make the head of the bird. So watch it very carefully. Paste the circle on the sheet and press it very gently like this. After that, we will take a small circle and paste it. Then draw a small circle like this. Now we will make the beak of the bird. Fold it like this. And paste it in front of the bird head. Now we will make the body of this bird. Take another circle and stick it beneath the head of the bird. This becomes the body of the bird. Now take another circles and fold it like this. Now stick it on the body of the bird. Kids, hope you are enjoying this activity. Now take different colors, semicircles and paste it one by one like this. Last, stick these semicircles at the base of the bird. Like this. So kids, our bird is ready. Hope you enjoyed this activity. Thank you. Have a good day.